Hello folks, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the below mirror air deflectors, the Can-Am Spyder RT. The Can-Am Spyder RT comes with lower stationary wind deflectors. Now that's great and all, but adjustable air deflectors provide another level of comfort while riding by allowing you to divert air either towards or away from both you and your passenger in seconds based on your personal preference. Once installed, they look like a factory mod and will provide you with up to 130 degrees of adjustment so you can put that air where you want it. So now follow me as I walk you through the installation process.
We'll start by assembling the brackets. So take the long Phillips head bolt and slide it through one end of the panel mounting bracket. Now add a plastic washer, then an RT mount, tube spacer, another RT mount facing the same direction, then another plastic washer, before going through the other end of the bracket and top it off with a lock nut. And then simply repeat that same process for the other bracket. Now line up the holes of the deflector with the holes of the bracket and take two M5 by 16mm screws with plastic washers. Slide them through the holes and then tighten down with the lock nuts, making sure not to over tighten. And then repeat that same process for the other side. Now attach a strip of masking tape to the outside edge of the stock deflector. After you apply the masking tape, you want to first test fit the air deflector assembly by putting the bracket holes flush with the masking tape and rotating the deflector back and forth fully to ensure it clears both the mirror above and the body panel below. For us, we found an inch down from the top of the stock deflector to be the ideal location to mark our top drill hole. Once your top drill hole is set, hold the bracket steady and mark your bottom drill hole. Now that you've ensured that your air deflector moves freely and your holes are marked, we're ready to drill. Now you don't need to push hard, but you may want to put something behind your stock deflector while you're drilling so you don't push through and hit your bike. Then remove the masking tape. Line up your bracket with the holes on your deflector. Insert the two M5 by 16mm screws. Add a washer to the back and tighten down with the lock nuts, making sure not to over tighten. And then simply repeat for the other side. Attach a strip of masking tape to the outside edge of the stock deflector. Mark your holes the same distance from the top as you did for the first side. Drill your holes, remove the masking tape, and then attach your new deflector.
As you can see, once installed, the deflectors maintain that factory look while giving you control over how you'd like to deflect airflow below the side view mirrors. Now, if comfort is on your list of priorities, head on over to slingmods.com today and grab a set of air deflectors for your Spyder RT. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest greatest mods for the Can-Am Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.